Just eat the peanuts. Okay. We're here at Citizens Bank Park. I'm with the Phillies sports guy. My go-to snack at the ballpark, it's gotta be peanuts. What I get time and time again, and here's why. There you go. There's one way to crack your nut. Here's why I love peanuts. They are a legume, okay? They're part of the Mediterranean diet. Go ahead.
A legume? What's a legume?
A legume is like a bean or a lentil or a peanut. They're like beans, right? They're technically not a nut, which is a very interesting fact. Per serving, so there are 4 in this bag, there are 7 grams of protein, 3 grams of fiber. Fiber is missing from a lot of Americans' diets. It's something that's overlooked quite often. Fiber can fill you up. It can feed beneficial gut bacteria, help lower cholesterol levels. Really important to our diet.
Not only do I like eating the peanuts inside, but I also like sucking on the shell.
You can suck on the shells to get that saltiness. That's fun, sure.
Is it okay for me to eat them? I like to chew them up and eat them sometimes.
I would not recommend eating the shells. They're very fibrous. They're tough to digest. You can get a very upset belly. They can even accumulate in the GI tract.
And if you want to keep the shells, they're actually good, feeds the soil. So when they start to deteriorate, it actually is really good to help plants grow.
Got it. So you don't have to compost them. You just mix it into your soil.
Right.
All right, on to the next food review.
Let's go.